Guys, good morning. Today's brunch, we have here broccoli cheddar soup, kimchi, bagnet from Ilocos, and meron din kaming toast bread. Lasa nga siya sopas.
So good.
No? Kaya
Hindi
masarap.
man. Marami ka naman sa lasang sopas.
Pero may cheese siya. So,
Tapos ididip natin. Kaya medyo thick yung texture nito. Kasi ididip yung bread talaga dito sa soup. You're so galing, Tita Shine.
look at this bagnet.
Kagantuan.
How much is this? Can we buy this before we go home shopping?
300
This is the pickled radish po.
something.
Yellow. Napakita lang.
Broccoli from Baguio, bagnet from Ilocos, kimchi from Dao, Pampanga, the bread from Pangasinan. Wala.
Kanina.
Bagnet with kimchi.
Parang hindi siya masyadong... You just gotta find the right one. Pabilog ate. It's crisp. Doesn't taste like anything, honestly.